Everyone, here we are with round 3 on 200 million cash explosion. Tickets 23 to 25. We had $30. Still got $5. And from book 0084157, 0084157. Everybody in the book, full book pull 158. Let's get to scratch and see what we get on these 3 tickets. Ticket 23. Alright, see if we find any symbols. I want to find that 20 times. Excuse me. Money bags. Alright, no symbols. I'm getting matching numbers. Excuse me, 25. Nope. 10. No 10. 34. 35. Almost. 38. 2. 12. 21. Nothing here. 24, 0084157. Excuse me, looking for that symbol. Nope. 15. 27. 37. 7. 36. Oh, one off. 34. 2. Nope. Alright, last ticket on this round 3. 25, 0084157. Come on, 20 times. Money bag. Nope. Okay. 23. Nope. Come on. No buy session. 11. 21. 5. 31. 40. 1. Alright, gonna scan these tickets, make sure I didn't miss anything. Be right back. Hi everyone, I'm back. Okay, we kind of figured this would happen the way the beginning of this book starting. Okay, so they were all losers, 23, 24, 25. So if y'all can all send, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 25? Well, yeah, oh my gosh, guys, we're on 25. We have 25 more tickets, really? Okay, excuse me, we have 25 more tickets. We ended on 25, really? Look at me, guys. Okay, it's 50 tickets. We have 25. Instead of making y'all send the whole $30, y'all just send $14.40. And we still got the 5, so we can just get $120 worth, get the next 12 tickets. There has to be something good. The way this book started, The middle has to be the sweet spot. Has to be something good coming up for us, guys. I would not want y'all to send the whole 30 bucks. Something for us just to keep going, to keep y'all going in the book. So 1440. That does not look like 1440. Let me fix this for y'all. 1440. Yeah, kind of looks a little better. So please, guys, this is 200 million cash explosion, full book pull 158. Everybody in it to go on to the next round. Please send 1440. It'll be a total of 120 to get the next 12 tickets. All right, everyone. Love y'all. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. This book is not starting too great, but you know what? We have the next rounds to see how it's going to end for y'all. All right, guys. See you later. All right. Bye.